China on Tuesday handed over an agricultural demonstration center project to Nigeria as part of efforts to scale up agricultural productivity and development in the most populous African country. The China-aided Nigeria Agricultural Demonstration Center project is located in Biwari, a town on the outskirts of Abuja, the Nigerian capital.
It may interest you to note that the facilities at this center are of world class. They include agricultural technology training and research centers, processing and exhibition centers, irrigation facilities, farmland demonstration areas, and amongst others.
The project aims to focus on expansive agricultural technology demonstration and training, as well as enhancing the transformation from subsistence to modern agriculture, and the transition from a small-scale production model to a specialized commercial agricultural model.
Chinese government support Nigeria to develop our modernized agriculture. We need machines, we need technology, we need high yield seeds. So this demonstration center, really we have this is really a good project. I do believe that not only demonstration, not only give the opportunity to farmers, to government officials, that to deepen, broaden relationship,